Got a little Ferrari F12 action. Look at these fucking guys on the hyper motards. Somebody's always out of gas. I'm just a sucker for Italian bikes. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, the Moto Soul. Damn, it's good to be back on the bike. For those of you who are new, we're here on my 2022 MB AGUSTA F3 Rosso. This is my very first bike, and if you guys are curious to see more of the bike, I just recently posted a walk-around video of the bike and overview of the current modifications. So go back and check that video out. It's a pretty good one. I've been on vacation for about 2 weeks, so I haven't posted a moto vlog, and I guess, yeah, 2 weeks. I was down in Tampa Bay, enjoying the Florida sun and some of the beaches and stuff with my girlfriend and her family, and then I came back for a few short days of work and headed back out on a plane and went to Las Vegas with my father and brother to go watch the UFC fights. We had a blast out there. Did some gambling, won a little bit of money. Anyways, we're back here today and we're headed to another Bikes and Coffee meet this morning. Before we go there, we're meeting up with a couple of our buddies, Brandon and Max, the two guys that you've seen on the hyper motards on the channel before. We're meeting up with them and then we're going to roll up together to the bike meet. So come along for the ride. Here we go this morning. Got a little Ferrari F12 action. Look at that, a Lamborghini. The exotics are out this morning. Murdered out Huracan. Alright, well, we'll see how this all goes. They've been redoing this whole area down here. Yeah, I'm really not a big fan of this stretch of highway. You see how the surface condition varies so much? Potholes everywhere. Treacherous on a bike. As a matter of fact, I was cruising down this road one time in my 2016 Porsche Cayman GT4 and it hit a absolutely hellacious crater in the road, and I thought I damaged my wheel. This is the way our GPS routed us today though, so it is what it is. I don't think we'll be on here much longer. It is a beautiful morning though. What the hell is this? Let's check this thing out. Can-Am Spider. I'm not sure about those. Are you guys fans of them? Looks like a sketchy vehicle to me. Of course, there's plenty of people that think that we're the crazy ones. The two-wheel riders. Who am I to judge? This is where it's not too bad. Road smooths out a lot. Here's Brandon showing up a little late.
Yeah, getting up early this morning was not really happening.
No big deal, man.
When I woke up, seriously, at like 8 o'clock, I was like, oh. Then you get on the bike and it's like, yeah. Oh yeah. When we leave Ascension, I'm gonna have to grab gas on the way back down.
That's fine. Yeah. We can get gas whenever.
On the way back down, I'm probably gonna need it too. Yeah, we can go do that same gas station we went to that time. Oh, she clean, bro.
I try to keep it clean.
Yours looks clean, finally. First time in forever, I actually washed it yesterday.
Yeah, I saw that you posted that little clip.
I was hurting so bad after like the rain and
yeah.
Everything, and then I stayed up and I just washed this, dude. I was hurting.
Yeah, he said you guys had a good time out there.
It was a good rain day.
Yeah.
It was hot.
Yeah.
Following you guys. You get to lead this time.
I don't know how to get there.
Okay.
Is this Dallas North Tollway?
Yeah.
Oh, I can get there.
Oh, you can.
It's just straight. It's just straight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like the, what is it, like Warren Parkway? When we get to Plano, I won't let us miss it. Okay.
Look at these fucking guys on the hyper motards jumping their bikes off the fucking curb. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Well, we were rolling there for a minute. We got a little bit of law enforcement ahead of us though, which has slowed down the pace of everybody here on the road. So those two yesterday were out at the shooting range having a blast at one of the range days. I don't know if you guys know, but Brandon back there, he's actually somewhat of an Instagram, YouTube celebrity shooter, and he works with a company called Average Joe's. They do different range days and stuff here in the great state of Texas. Freaking Max up there, he looks like a character from Mario Kart. He's so big on that bike. Hypermotors aren't small bikes either. That is just a giant. Mobbing with the boys. I think he's telling him we're gonna go get gas right now. It's unzipped. Zip it up. Well, I wasn't going to get gas, but since we're here. Somebody's always out of gas. These damn bikes are thirsty. Thirsty Italian bitches. He almost took us into the parking garage. about me, I won't get left behind.
Which is why I'm not riding like an asshole today. I'm just like, yeah, I'll swear, way too hard.
There we go, we'll leave her in gear so she doesn't get tipped over. What's up, brother?
Good.
Good, good.
Looking nice.
Thank you.
Hey, how you doing, bud?
Decent turnout this morning. What's up, brother?
Dog. Or like new old stock or like a wreck.
Oh, that's 1000 double R. Look at that, 1199 Panigale. Or 899. I'm just a sucker for Italian bikes. Alright, well, we're gonna go chat with some of these dudes. Catch you when we get back on the bikes. Alright, so we're back here in my garage after a Sunday filled with lots of bike-related fun. As you guys saw, we met up with Brandon and Max early in the morning, and then we rode over to Ascension Coffee for the Texas Bikes and Coffee that we normally attend on Sundays. It was a pretty decent turnout up there. Got some footage of some of the bikes that showed up. Unfortunately, I was unable to vlog the rest of the day. If you look over here at my chin mount, which I use on my helmet with my GoPro, I don't know if the Texas heat just put this thing on meltdown or what, but the tape broke loose and this was just dangling there. I'm lucky I didn't lose my GoPro on the ride from the first meetup location to the coffee shop. Yeah, look at that, it's just flopping there. So I don't know if you guys have had issues with chin mounts, if any of my subscribers or viewers use them. Let me know if there's any tips or tricks to avoid this type of situation. It was like 110 degrees today, so I don't know if there's anything that could be done to stop the tape from heating up and letting loose there. Anyways, after we left the Texas Bikes and Coffee meet this morning, we headed over to the shop club, as is our normal Sunday routine. This morning was the Formula One race. That was a good time. Got some breakfast with those guys and pounded down some Red Bulls and got rehydrated from the hot day. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. Had a good time. I'm gonna go get cleaned up, get the bike cleaned up a little bit, and relax on the rest of my day off. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button for me. Subscribe to the channel down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.